Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And I'm sorry, I just have to do this because I am in love with my A5 anemone cover from HOBONICHI. And this week, I will be using Autumn Blooms from According to Allie, as well as I can't remember where I got this washi. Was it Stationery Pal? I really cannot remember. And I want to incorporate some other things as well, but we'll take it as we go. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this really pretty washi, and it matches so well with the stickers, is put it right across the top. You guys have been with me for a while. You are kind of getting to know my style and my process and how it works for me. Oops. And you'll see a bit of a pattern or a rhythm with how I do my spreads. And I'm that type of person where if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yay. Okay. Then I do want to leave one of these for my daily spreads because I have just enough. I have another sheet somewhere. Oh, I have another sheet here that I always buy 2 sheets of Allie's Blooms because I know I'll need at least one for each day of my daily spreads. And so there's 6 here, 4 here. I'll only need one of these to go. Anyway, that's my process in my head. Let's put this back. Okay. So then I'm gonna put this one. Uh-oh, looks like it cut right through the paper. I'm gonna put this one right in the middle here and actually cut it. How do I want to cut it? Like this, like this. You know what, like this. Gonna cut it right down the middle and place them on either side of the center here. And you probably are wondering, why don't I just place the sticker over the pages? I find that it makes it easier to turn the page when I don't actually have a sticker going right down the middle. So yeah, that's what works for me. And then I will put this one right down here. And then I'm trying to figure out, oh, I have a Tombow that will match. Hold on. So I actually pulled out these 2 mild liners that I got from Stationery Pal, and I think it's the new neutral set, but it's all in Japanese, so I have no idea. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself here. So I've done, this is like the most in terms of stickers that I put down, really the washi up at the top and then those 2 stickers there. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the sidebar. When it comes to the sidebar, it's really easy. I actually take this mild liner and draw a header and then write in the word sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And then I draw in a graph where I measure the number of hours that I sleep as well as my sleep score and draw that graph in. And then underneath that, I will use the other mild liner to create another header and write in the word workout and write in my schedule for workouts for the week. And this is the way that I've been doing my sidebar really since the beginning of the year, since I started using the cousin, and it's worked out really well for me. Then moving over to the bottom of the spread where I will use the same mild liners from Tombow and write in or draw in the headers, and then use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word meals. Again, something that, like, these are the basics of what I do on a week-to-week basis. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and write in my work shifts. Monday is a holiday. Yay, it's Thanksgiving here in Canada, so I'm not working on Monday, but then I will go ahead and do it for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm actually really looking forward to having this 4-day week. So now I'm gonna go in and do my day by day, and now I'm deciding what pen I want to use because there's really good ink in this pen, but then there's also really good shimmer ink in this pen. Maybe I will use both, but I will definitely use both when doing my daily journaling. So, okay, let's first do, I know that I will have a to-do list here, so so this is my Lamy All-Star with a 1.1 stub nib, and it does currently have a Diamine Caramel Sparkle. And it's a really gorgeous, like orangey brown with gold shimmer. Super fun. So that is the to-do list for Monday. I'm leaving the rest of it pretty open because it's a holiday. Then on Tuesday, it will be for my husband to put out groceries. I want to make these fun, actually, and take out my emojis. Yes, this album is like bursting. Garbage emojis. Okay. Anyone else like me that I buy these emojis just to have fun with them and to make something like putting garbage out so much more fun than it actually is. Put out garbage it is. Oh, I love this pen. Then Wednesday, nothing that I can remember. Thursday is grocery pickup day. So I'm taking that. And grocery pickup is done by my husband on his way home from work between 6 and 6:30. And I'm really trying to remember if there's anything in here, anything else in here that I should be remembering, but anything out of the ordinary, I normally pre-plan with Post-its. I don't think there's anything else that I have to pre-plan, but I know that I have Weight Watchers, and then I need to film my weeks and cousin spreads. But I am also waiting for something really, actually two things really, really exciting coming in the mail, and it's deciding when to film and when to upload them. Then on Saturday, Henry has wall climbing from 10 to 11:30, and I don't have a fun sticker for him. I wish I had a fun sticker for Henry's wall climbing, but let me see what I've got here, because I got so many samplers from the Planner's Gonna Plan. Oh, those are cute. And I want to find something that is very Henry. This one is cute. These are cute too. Oh, I like all of these. I like all of these. So, this is really pretty. Maybe if, I don't know what that one's about. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to leave it for now. I do want to add something for Henry. But which one? Why is this so hard? Okay, I'm getting out like all the freebies here. So cute. I love that one. Let's do oh my gosh, okay, let's do this one for Henry, for his wall climbing, because he loves it so much. And I love watching him. And then that evening, we have friends coming over for our Friends Giving. We haven't been able to do this for a couple of years now, so I am so excited to be able to do this. I have a sticker where we're all sat around a table eating. I'm gonna put that there and put Friendsgiving. With Kim, Tim. Oh, that's gonna be so fun. And then Sunday, Henry has wall climbing or not wall climbing, ninja. So maybe I can take one of these really cute emojis from Coffee Monsters Co. What's a really good one for Henry, for ninja? Do any of these look like ninja? I'm sorry. I just see this one and I just think Henry, because he is a bit of a goofball. A sensitive goofball. So ninja from, that makes me laugh. From 11:30. Ah, wrong pen. Oh well. Henry at ninja. Darn. Wrong pen. Oh well. And then I'm not even going to put our cleaning list down yet, because I'm thinking maybe we do it on that day while I'm also prepping for that. But I haven't decided if I am going to do the cleaning on the Saturday. I might do, actually. I think I will. I think I will do the cleaning on Saturday, so that Sunday is all about the relaxing. So let's take one of these ninja cleaning stickers, and I'm not upset about the cleaning. Just I know we have to do it. So cleaning, I'm gonna do the bathrooms, cabinets and appliances. My husband does the vacuuming, the windows. Henry, we try to get him to do the dusting because I hate dusting, and then he collects the garbages. And then my daughter wipes down all of the light switches and door handles, really high traffic areas. And we started doing that at the beginning of COVID. Cute. All right, so then Sunday, I know, is folding laundry. So I'm gonna put folding laundry down here. Because I don't know what's happening in there yet. So I'm gonna do it with this ink. Fold laundry. All right, so those are basically the basics. Those are the basics of my spread, knowing that's what I know is going to be happening this week. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Organizing my stickers here. Putting these stickers back. I know there's one other deco sticker that I want to put down from, missed that, from Allie's collection. And I think it will be the smaller one, because I'm going to use this bigger one in a, oh, see, that's perfect there with some washi. I have a lot of fun decorating my cousin on a week-to-week basis, but also using it as kind of like a memory planner, writing down the things that we've done on a day-to-day basis. But then I also use that to be able to write in my daily spread. So I love that. Simple, but still fun and colorful. So there is my overall finished spread. I really like the way that it looks. I love the fall colors. I love Allie's florals. They're one of my favorites. If you guys are interested in purchasing these autumn florals or autumn blooms, I do have an affiliate link down in the description below, and you can use the code Karina10 for 10% off. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.